Alright, so today is Wednesday, 29th I think, or 30th, and I was mowing this morning and the lawnmower caught fire while I was riding it. It like stalled out or something, and then a huge flame shot out of the left side and got engulfed in flames, but we put it out. That's what's left of the lawnmower. It is completely
I'm putting out a fire here.
Completely gone.
The lawnmower just went up in flames and nothing on it.
I don't even know what that is. It is completely... Look at that. I was sitting there. Uh-oh. The steering wheel's not even there.
There's no steering wheel.
There's nothing.
There's the steering wheel.
Oh, we found the steering wheel. The deck's in shape, you probably saw that. Got some rims we can sell. Got a oil filter we can sell. And that's what put it out. Ooh. That fire hose. But yeah.
When you stretch this out, a couple of things.